Hi, this
Hello,
is the
I am
testing
Shubham Singhal and I am
how to
a
do
researcher
research.
and software
Research is a
developer also.
dominant factor
And I want
which
to
should
tell
be
you how to do
clear
research.
in mind and
Since research
how
is
to
a
do
very
research.
important subject, it is
Just
not
I'm
only
checking
subject,
this
it is a professional
testing for testing
profession.
purpose. So I want to quit this
So,
presentation
but a
so
few
I can test
many
it how.
persons want to do research, but only a few persons know how to do research. It is due to lack of knowledge, lack of guidance, uh, lack of available resources, so that not only many large population know how to do research, they also don't know how to make money, how to publish a research paper, how to become a published researcher, and how to make glories out of his research, and how to make patent of his research. This is a very crucial factor and crucial knowledge, since I also don't have this, and I spend my lot of time, lot of money, lot of energy on these questions: how to do research, how to make money, how to publish paper, and whatever all. as as my life experience, I am sharing some uh, point how to do research, and I think this may be beneficial for everyone. But if I will share you, certainly this will make a beneficial in the questions arise how to do research. Now, outline of my presentation is objective of my presentation: steps of research. What steps should we follow in research? I am following some basic steps. I will tell about the detail, but I am sure that you will get the knowledge about all the steps of research. And third, outline, prepare of research paper. This is a very important task: how to prepare our research paper. Publish a research paper. This is also a very important factor. Many of researchers fail to publish their research paper. uh, this happened due to many factors, but I will discuss some important factor, and I will also talk about the some places of to publishing of their research paper. This is some researcher in our country, not in our country, in the, it's a mankind, that they didn't tell the actual knowledge to all, how to do, how to publish their research paper, how to make money. They don't want to see that something grow up. They want to see that all people are lag behind us, and they don't tell the actual scenario of the world. They didn't share their experience. That is a mankind human nature problem. But we are not living in that world. We are living in my own world, and my own world is to share experience and to provide the opportunity to every people to, so then they can grow. This is the other relevant way. My other outline of this PPT is making money. Making money is a very important task, since it always in our mind questions that how, what will happen in this my effort, how can I make money, how can I use my research. You can make money, you can make tons of money. Since this is also a question for me, how to make money. And conclusion of my PPT. Now we are going on objective of my presentations. The objective of my presentation is to go from various stages of research. It deals a way of research and various problem occurs during the research. As a my experience, I will also talk about how to solve these problems. This PPT will cover all the area of research. What is the problem occur, how to deal this problem, and how to explore the other areas. So can we can become the professional researcher, and we can publish our research paper, and we can also take a life cycle experience of research, where the major factor of research, where is the important, how, where we have to seek the guidance, where we can seek the problem, and many more. We are living in the danger world. This world is not shared real experience. So as my experience, I spent around 2 years to know how to do research and how to make money, how to take experience. I spent my life 2 years. So this is a very human nature problem in our world. Now carry on. Steps of research. Steps of research is a choose the subject. First step is choose the subject. You have to choose the subject of your interest on which you want to do research. You can choose the subject like JSF object. In my area, I am related to software field, so I am giving the example like JSF object. You can take a server, you can take a technology, you can also talk about the software or a relevant strategy or relevant architecture of a software, so that it can be how to it can become beneficial. You have to took this subject in which you can research, you can explore the possibility in the subject, and you can prepare a research paper on it. So you have to choose the subject first. The second step is arrange the text material on it. Now if you choose the subject, then you have to arrange the text material, what is available on it. You have to do Google searching and download many PDFs. You have to help out many textbooks, so that you can arrange the material, what to read, how to go forward, and how to do research on that subject. This is not a very crucial point, how to arrange the text material. Just take the help of Google search engine. Type on the Google search your subject name and material name, that research on this subject, and you will get the many PDF, many research paper. So the text material will be arranged very in less time and very frequently, and very good research, very good text material. Now third step and very important step is read various research paper on it. When you type your search your subject on the various search engine, you will get many research paper on that subject. You have to download it, and you have to read whatever the research is going on that subject, and whatever research is already done since. You will get the idea how to do, how can we go forward in this particular subject, how can we prepare our research paper, how can we get more knowledge from these research paper which is published already. So you have to read various research paper on the particular subject, whatever you choose for research. Form your area of research. Now since a subject has bold aspect, a subject is very simple. Like if I talk about JSF object, Java Server Faces object, this is a very broad subject. If I will do research on this broad subject, I can't do it in my life span, and we have only a short duration. So we have to form our area of research in which we explore our learning. We have to set a limited boundaries, so that we can do research. And fifth step is do research. Now we have to form a area of subject, we have arranged the text material, we have read the various research paper which is previously published on this subject. Now we have to do research. Whatever you want to do, and calculate the data, calculate the snapshot, calculate the images, form your formulas, derive it, and make sense. Some some relevant material, collect some relevant materials which make sense. This is your research. Prepare research paper. Now prepare your research paper whatever you did. For this you have to download a template of your research paper in which you will type your research and prepare research paper. Publish it in a research magazine. You have to publish your research paper in research magazine for become a published researcher and for make money. If you don't do this, you will don't tell the world that I am a researcher, I am a professional researcher, and you will not if you don't have published paper, that make sense that you are not researcher and your all effort is goes into vain. So that this is a seventh step, is a very crucial step. Publish it in a research magazine. We will deal about these phenomena in the my new slide. Prepare research paper. How to prepare research paper? Now first choose the template. For example, if you want to publish your research paper in IEEE website, then you choose the template of IEEE. Various platform have various templates. So first you have decide what on what platform you have to publish your research paper, and you download the template of research paper from these sites, and you also download the various previous research paper to help to view how they prepared their research paper. Now you get the knowledge of template and how to type your research. Now you can prepare your paper. You can review it and do correction whatever you want to do in research paper. Now make your final paper, and this make you as a professional researcher only in your world, not only outer world, only in your world. Outer world you will become a published professional researcher after they publish your research paper. Now send your prepared paper to magazine on which platform you have chosen. Read their response. They will send the many response on research paper. So read their response on it. Make correction according to them. Whatever they send their response, do correction in your research paper according to them. Send again if you fail. If you fail, then send again your paper. If you become succeed, then don't worry, enjoy it. But if you get fail several times, you will get fail. If you don't have a high profile is also matter like me. If you have low profile, then you will fail several times. But this is not an end of life. You have to try and try, send again, make corrections, send again. One time you will get success in to publishing your research paper. Now if you have your published paper, then get page number of magazine. I means full URL. So where your research paper is published, so you can display your URL into various platform like your websites, others websites, in your resume also, so that you can make glory of about your research. This is important, but this is you will get the full URL, but the major task is to publish your research paper. Now make money. This is a very important question. All have this question, how to make money. I also have this question, how to make money from my research. Now you are become the published professional researcher if you have published your research paper into a research magazine, international research magazine. Making money is a very important factor and very exclusive factor. since you have to know on which platform you can make money. Government and various institutions give sponsorship on various research projects. Many government sites and many various institutions give many sponsorship on various research projects. So you have to approach them, you have to fill the forms, you have to tell the research project, and you will have to get sponsorship from them. This make a marketing. This is know about the marketing feature, but try this. If you get money, then it is beneficial for you. Many private firms also give the money. Many private firms give money. This is happen from your contact. If you have contact, then you can get the money from private firms. And you can also make careers in academics. In academics, many posts are for research associate, project associate, researchers. So you can make career in academic. You can do PhDs in under the various professors which have research project. You can do jobs in under the various researchers as a research associate. So you can also make a career in academic. In academic, you can become the professor if you have 5 or 10 research published research paper in international magazine. It will boost your resume. You will surely selected in academics. Now it is all done, and conclusion of my PPT is research means beauty. Research means beauty, like a beauty which is 100% pure. Pure means beauty. 100% pure, like your research will be 100%. You want to know how to explore the opportunities to 100%. This is research. Be a professional researcher. If you are researcher and you don't have published your paper, don't know the outer world, then you are not a professional researcher. If you have to make glory, you have to make money, you have to become a professional researcher. For a professional researcher, be a published researcher. You have to be a published researcher. Money will come after a long period. Money will not come instant. It will come after a long period, after a long experience. So keep patience. Patience should be in a part of research. A good researcher have very good patience. So patience, keep patience and go on your pace. If your pace is slow, don't worry, go on. Research means it is not a job for others, it is a job for ourselves. We are self job. So self entrepreneur. So go on your pace, whatever pace is you have. Now this is the end of my presentation. I am thanking you to hear it, and thanking you for my successful presentation, and thank you for myself also. Now bye bye.